Morning students. I already completed the syllabus of semester 3rd. Now we start the revision students. Revision starting with the chapter physical and chemical change and chemical reactions. So first of all we know about the what is the physical change, what is the chemical reaction, what is the chemical change. Yes. So first of all you know about the what is the change. You know, when you break the glass, their shape change. Size also change. When ice converted into liquid, liquid converted into vapor, their state change. So in everyday life, we see the climate also change, environment also change. Sometime rain comes, sometime rain not come. Yes, so these types of changes are there. So first of all, we discuss about the what types of the changes. First is the reversible and irreversible change. Yes, what is the reversible change? Reversible, see the word reversible. For example, you know H2 plus O2 gives us H2O. Always reversible. Ice converted into water vapor, water and water vapor. Water converted into vapor when you heat it. So here reversible reaction, half arrow, forward reaction, half backward. Water also. These are the reactant, this is the product. When reactant combine give us the product. And product again able to convert it into reactant. It means reaction is reversible. You are able to convert the ice into water, water into vapor by increasing temperature and decreasing the pressure. But if you want to again convert the water vapor into ice, then you change the condition. Decrease the temperature by cooling and also increase the pressure. When you increase the pressure, the particles come near. So this is the reversible reaction. Some reactions are not reversible. Like rusting. Rusting also not reversible. Some ionic reaction not reversible. Ionic reactions. Rusting of iron. Rusting not, yes, Fe plus O2. When iron in the presence of oxygen or little bit water, it gives us Fe2O3 XH2O. XH2O water. This is a reversible reaction, unable to convert back into this. When you cook the food, when you take the raw, for example, raw potato, when you cook the food, you are able to convert back into the same potato. Not possible. Reversible or irreversible reaction. Those which go back from product to reactant, that is called reversible. Which are not able to go back, that is a irreversible reaction. Yes. Second type, periodic and non-periodic change. Periodic change are that type of change which repeats itself after given time interval. For example, earth rotating after 365 days. Same. That is a periodic change. Environment change. Summer come, winter seasons come. That is a periodic change. Non-periodic, which is not the change which will not repeat after given interval of time. For burning of the coal, you not every time burn the coal. Non-periodic change, anytime anything happen. Non-periodic. Yes. Next is a desirable and undesirable change. The change which you want, that is a desirable. The change which you not want, that is an undesirable change. Rusting of iron. Rusting, undesirable change. Rusting of iron is an undesirable change. Yes, you not want. You not want metal corroded. Yes, desirable change which you want. For example, in industry you want, when you pass electricity in the water, it gives H2 plus O2. You get the hydrogen fuel. This is a desirable change you want. Raw mango. converted after when put the chemicals on them, then it converted into the mango you are able to eat. Firstly it was raw, green in color, but they change it into yellow. So that is a desirable change. Change of the season, winter to that is a desirable change which you want. Yes. Next, slow and fast change. Some reactions are slow, some reactions are fast. Like rusting of iron is a slow reaction. When you put the curd, when you make the curd from the milk, you put the little curd in them. Then that is called also slow reaction. Fast reaction, ionic reaction mainly fast. Ionic reaction mainly fast. For example, NaOH plus HCl. This is the one positive, one negative, one positive, one negative. इसका negative इसके साथ, इसका negative इसके साथ. That gives us NaCl plus H2. Very fast reaction. Acid-base reaction. This is a base, this is the acid. Gives us a salt plus H2O. Ionic reaction are very fast. These are the types of changes. Reversible, which again come back at the same step. Irreversible, not able to change again. Not again able to come back the same position. Starting point. Periodic, which are repeated given interval of time. Non-periodic, which are not repeated in the given interval of time. Desirable, which you want. Non-desirable, which you not want. Slow change, where the speed is the rate of occurring the reaction is slow. The fast reaction very high speed. Yes. Now we go for the next type of change is a physical change and a chemical change. Yes. First of all, we see the what is the physical change. Physical, the word being physical. Then we discuss about the characteristics of physical change. Physical means S. This is the same like the congruency in the math also, S, side. But in the chemistry, that is a side, shape, size, shape and state. Size, shape and state. For example, you have the paper. Actually, in physical change, no new substance is formed. For example, ice. Ice converted into water. And water converted into water vapor. Steam. Here also formula H2O. Water formula also H2O. Steam formula also H2O. No new substance is formed. Only state change is there. That's why it is called physical change. Yes. Paper. Converted into little pieces. That is again paper only. Glass. Then break into the pieces. That also glass. So it means their shape change only, size only change. Shape change and size change only. So any change with a shape change, size change, state change only, that is a physical change. Or in physical change, no new substance is formed. But in chemical change, a new substance is formed. For example, like example H2 plus O2 gives us H2O. Cause the fire. Fuel. Stop the fire. आग जलाने वाले से ही आग बुझाने वाला बना. It means what? When chemical reaction happen, a new thing is formed and their property not match with their reactant. Not match with their reactant, students. Not match. Their property different, their property different. But in ice, water vapor, same formula is there. All have the same property. Same property, same formula H2O. No change in the composition is there. Same composition. Here also H2O, H2O, H2O. You know hydrogen is 1 gram and 2 hydrogen 2 into. Oxygen is a 16 gram. 2 into 16 means 1:8. Here also 1:8. Here also 1:8. Here also 1:8. same composition, matra, yes, quantity. So this is the when a new thing is formed, that is a chemical change only, and their ratio is 1:8. What is the meaning of 1:8? Mean 1 gram of hydrogen when combined with 8 gram of oxygen. That's why they give the water. That's why they give the water. This is the chemical change. When new substances form and their property not match with their reactant. No change in the composition of the substance, already told. Same quantity is there. But in chemical change, composition change. Here composition different. Here composition different. It is a temporary change. Temporary means when ice converted into water, water converted into water vapor, they are able to convert back by changing some condition. Temporary change only. But in case of the chemical change, all reactions are permanently changed. Unable to convert the ripe mango into raw mango. Unable to convert the cooked food into raw food. Raw vegetables. Unable. Yes. Next one. It can be reversed. It can not be reversed. Already told to you. Able to reverse. But this unable to reverse. But if you want to reverse, high electricity you want. And high money you want also for this. Lot of expenditure required. Yes. It may be small change in physical property like S. Size, state, shape. Only size, state and shape. But complete change in physical property. It means when new thing form, their property not match with their reactant. In the small change in the properties there only. A very small amount of energy is involved in is there. In physical change, you little energy required. But in chemical change, you like a lot of energy. So student, these are the physical change and chemical change. In next chapter of the revision, we discuss about some more examples of the physical change and the chemical change. Thank you.